भाई बहुत लग पड़ी भाई। भाई पूछो मत, वो जो अंदर वो देख रहे हैं ना कैमरा में वाला भद्दुआएं दे रहे हैं ना, तुम भी आओ, तुम्हारी भी यही हाल हो। तुम
भाई चला है व्लॉग
व्लॉग इजी नहीं,
देखते हैं
समझ आ रहा है कश्मीर में व्लॉग इजी नहीं। So guys, we have started a journey. That's Tasa walking with me. Right, here we go. I'm gonna sit here for some time and try to rest for a while because it is something exhausting. We're not used to trek, so palpitations do occur. And हमारी बैंड बजी है भाई।
Hey, nangamutu. Nangamutu. Ah, smile. Shh. Take it now. Huh? Tata.
Today we have stopped. There are a lot of huts. This is something which is special for us. Me being a Kashmiri, I would like to dedicate this to all the people who travel to Kashmir. And we have a local family who lives in this hut from past 100 years. 100 years, would you believe it? Right. मतलब तुझे basically ये तो यूज़ transportation शुरू करना।
Transportation जो तां ये च तो तां ची ये कम मजदूर तो करन तो बस मतलब
रात काल शुरू का मतलब गुर बोल छु या बाकी चीज़ का transport नफर tourist tool throw. So basically, they're telling us that they do provide the transportation facility, like they they have horses, they have other things by which they get the tourists to take a ride and they earn the money by that. That's really a hard life for them in winters because they're telling us that in winters they go to town. The family, like whosoever is a young gun, goes to the town to earn money, bring some chucks, or they relocate to a different location. So this is the simple life they have, and this is full of simplicity, but it does have hardships as well.
गोबर को नहीं लाएंगे। किचन किधर? ओह, नो लाइट। किचन कौन चलाती है?
They brought us tea, and these are this is a small cup of tea. It's really tasty because मुझे लगता है in the entire city we would not have a taste of the tea like this.